Here I have ZTE Blade A7s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, you have to open your camera, then you have to access camera settings by swiping like that with your finger, and here you have this option, countdown duration. This is basically just a timer. You can set it on 3 seconds or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.